for calling GAF. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. All calls are recorded for quality purposes. If you're a roofing distributor or lumber dealer, press 1. Contractor or builder, press 2. For technical questions about installation, codes, or GAF roofing systems, press 4. Technical, this is Jenny.
Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm good. And you?
Not too bad. I got a question. My name is Jeremy Snyder. I'm a public insurance adjuster out of Nashville, Tennessee. And I have an issue with a client, a project that I'm working on. Basically, what we had the wind came in and blew up. Probably, I would say, at least half, if not more, of that. Blew up all the tabs so that the architectural, like all the bonds are broken, all the seals are broken. Now, I know that there's the ability to adhere them back down with like an adhesive, but I'm trying to find out is if you were to take adhesive on a shingle and seal it back down, does that give the same the same warranty, the same bondage protection as like the original factory warranty does? How does that? What?
No, it doesn't. Once the bond is broken, and no, it doesn't.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Drink some. Yeah, have some water or whatever. I'm not.
Just a moment.
Not in a hurry.
Yeah, with it, there's not a wind warranty on it once that bond is broken.
Okay, so just to make sure I understand. So once the bond is broken, there's no wind warranty on the shingle again.
Correct.
Okay. All right. So if for future reference, though, I'm just so I don't have to call you guys again. So if any shingles that the seals break throughout the whole roof, once that bond breaks, even if they're hand sealed, then they're not warranted for wind anymore in the future. Is that right?
Right.
Okay.
Correct.
So
warranty itself.
So my argument, just to make with the insurance adjuster, my argument that it's not the warranty for wind is not going to exist again, even if it's hand sealed back down from you. Okay, I just want to make sure that was right when I talk with them. But I really appreciate your help on that, and it was good. It was very good chatting with you. I hope you get that cough gets better for you.
It's much better. You should have heard me last week.
Is it allergies, or did you catch a flu or something? Yeah.
Allergies.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I appreciate it, and it was good talking with you. And you have a wonderful day. Okay.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.